Writing a list to a file with Python, with Newlines. How do I write a list to a file? Write lines doesn't insert new line characters, so I need to do.
Simpler is. To ensure that all items in the item list are strings, use a generator expression. Remember that item list takes up memory, so take care about the memory consumption.
Use a loop. For Python 3.6. For Python 2, one may also use. If you're keen on a single function call, at least remove the square brackets, so that the strings to be printed get made one at a time, a genexp rather than a list comp. No reason to take up all the memory required to materialize the whole list of strings.
What are you going to do with the file? Does this file exist for humans, or other programs with clear interoperability requirements? If you are just trying to serialize a list to disk for later use by the same Python app, you should be pickling the list. To read it back.
Yet another way. Serialize to JSON using simpljson, included as JSON in Python 2.6. If you examine output.txt 1, 2, 3, 4. This is useful because the syntax is Pythonic, it's human readable, and it can be read by other programs in other languages.
Moment to the hook, please consider liking in the daily.